can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome back to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at general cryptocurrency market. Ethereum currently trades above the $2,000 level. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency markets, hovering around $70,000. Right now, there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are scared. Are we going to continue dumping to Goblin Town, or are we going to catch a bounce to the upside? We'll talk about altcoin season. We'll look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market. Where are we heading to over the next few days and next few weeks? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, has held up very, very well over the last 1 week. The last 1 week has seen chaos in the global macro politics. The last 1 week has seen Israel, Iran beefing. We've seen oil shooting to astronomical highs, but Bitcoin still trades around that $70,000 level, which means maybe, just maybe, we're closer to the top, or we still have one more dump to the downside. Look how Bitcoin has done over the last few months. Bitcoin has not been pumping. We've seen Bitcoin dump aggressively to Goblin Town, finally finding that bottom around that $60,000 level. But since early February, Bitcoin has found a level where it has just been ranging around the $64,000 level to around the $70,000 level. Hopefully, Bitcoin is going to make the next move very, very soon. A lot of market participants right now are comparing what Bitcoin is doing to what it did in 2022. What happened in 2022? We saw Bitcoin first dumping from an all-time highs where it was trading from $69,000. Bitcoin went to as low as $32,000, and then Bitcoin went sideways for around 63 days before it eventually continued dumping to Goblin Town. Right now, Bitcoin has gone sideways for approximately 42 days. Over the next few days and the next few weeks, Bitcoin is going to be making a huge move, and a lot of market participants are betting on further downsides. But let me show you why I believe, guys, there might be a small possibility that Bitcoin is pumping to the upside. If you look at Bitcoin's RSI on the weekly time frame, the RSI is bottoms RSI is usually where we see bottoms happen. We've seen the RSI get to this level in December of 2018. We've seen the RSI get to this level in June of 2022. That ended up not being a bottom. We eventually saw Bitcoin going lower, but that ended up being a good buying position. And right now, Bitcoin's RSI is at that level. This might not end up being a bottom, but historically, this has always been a good buying position. And if you look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, sentiment is very dire right now. Market participants are scared. Who would have guessed just some 5 years ago that Bitcoin would be trading around $69,000 and the market would be extreme fear? $69,000 5 years ago. Was Bitcoin all-time highs? Were euphoric when we were at $69,000 for the first time. But over the years, we have seen Bitcoin go to $125,000, and that's why $65,000 has sent the cryptocurrency market spiraling down to extreme fear. Right now, there's fear in the market. Yesterday, there was extreme fear in the market. Last week, there was extreme fear in the market. And last month, we are still battling with the extreme fear. Even though we're seeing some early signs of life in the altcoin market, the general vibe in the cryptocurrency market is that of pessimism. A lot of market participants are thinking it's all over. We are going to continue dumping to Goblin Town. On a weekly time frame, some altcoins are showing huge bounces. On a monthly time frame, some more altcoins are showing huge bounces. Don't be shocked, guys, if the crowd is going to be wrong at the extreme yet again. We always talk about how the crowd is wrong at the extreme. When market participants think we're going to continue dumping to Goblin Town, we eventually pump to the moon, and when they think we cannot dump to Goblin Town, we'll continue pumping to the moon. That's when the market humbles us all and starts dumping to Goblin Town. If you look at Ethereum, the king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, key level over the next few weeks for Ethereum still lies around the $3,400 level. That's going to be very important. The last time I saw Ethereum rallying there was early in 2026 before it eventually gave out and dumped around 50%. For Bitcoin, the key level for Bitcoin over the next few weeks, we would need to see Bitcoin rally past $70,000. The key level will be around the $97,000 to the $100,000 level. All eyes on Bitcoin, all eyes on Ethereum. If you look at the altcoin market, the altcoin market is also pumping. Total altcoin market cap says we have been consolidating just like Bitcoin, just like Ethereum, and Bitcoin dominance is giving us some early signs of some good times ahead. The total cryptocurrency market cap, excluding Bitcoin, currently sits around $953 billion. Total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin, could easily get to that $1.34 trillion level. That's why I see us facing possible resistance in the coming days and the coming weeks. Bitcoin dominance, very, very important. I've been tracking Bitcoin dominance over the last few days and the last few weeks. I'm still waiting for that big dump in Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance started losing momentum since June of 2025. Since then, we have seen Bitcoin dominance go to 56%. We have seen it range around that 56% region. I won't be shocked, guys, if in the coming days and the coming weeks, we see a move to the downside for Bitcoin dominance. That has been my base case scenario for quite a while right now. And I strongly believe that when Bitcoin dominance starts dumping, the altcoin market is going to have a very big party. After the dump comes the pump, and only those that can buy the dump well, that will be able to sell the rip, that will be able to enjoy the benefits of the pump. If you look at liquidation in the cryptocurrency market, the last 24 hours has seen 86,000 traders liquidated, with the total liquidation coming in around $246 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. The trader lost $3.32 million. Be careful out there, guys. Leverage is very dangerous. You don't want to lose your hard-earned money. You don't want to lose your hard-earned resources trying to catch a move. Allow the markets to do the work for you. In Q1 of 2026, Bitcoin has lost 20% of its value. In Q1 of 2026, Ethereum is down 31%. On a monthly time frame, Bitcoin is up 4.62% in the month of March. Ethereum is up a whopping 3.62% in the month of March. Hopefully, we end the month of March on a positive note. A new story is going around the cryptocurrency market. Market participants are still divided. Are we going to see a pump to the moon? Are we going to see a dump to Goblin Town? Where are we heading to? And that's why Bitcoin leads. Altcoin indicators drop to intriguing lows. Is it time for an altcoin season? Bitcoin is the front runner in the cryptocurrency market, while 36% of altcoin trades near their all-time lows. Do altcoin metrics suggest an altcoin season next? Only time will tell, but those who buy the dump, guys, will finally be able to sell the pump. Cycle shares surges as Bernstein sees upside from stablecoin adoption. Ethereum funding flips negative. Ethereum bears back in control. It's very important to see. Over the last few weeks, a lot of market participants have been going short with the hope that we'll see lower prices. A lot of market participants are even expecting lower prices. But guys, the crowd is always wrong at the extreme. You are here to play the game, and the game is to buy as low as possible, to sell as high as possible. You have to ask yourself, what are the big players doing right now? Are they buying or are they selling for a loss? In the next few weeks, that answer will be plainly seen throughout the markets. G2 Foundation acquires Solana floor days after platform shutdown. Trust Wallet adds real-time scan address checks for crypto users. Strategy records biggest strike day issuance with estimated 1,420 BTC buy. Michael Saylor is going crazy. Michael Saylor said he'll continue accumulating till he can accumulate no more. And true is what? He's accumulating heavy. Bitcoin price warns of potential dip after 72K liquidity sweep. Was Ethereum ultrasound money a mistake, since Ethereum is down 62% against Bitcoin since the pivot? Since the merge in September of 2022, we've seen Ethereum dump to Goblin Town against Bitcoin. But guys, it's not all doom and gloom. I still believe we're going to see good times for Ethereum in the coming days and the coming weeks. If you look at Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, it's still performing better than it was just over a year ago. We saw Ethereum still trading at $0.0176 level. From where we're currently trading right now, Ethereum has improved by among 60% over the last 1 year. I'm not shocked to see Ethereum continue leading. I believe we're still going to have one more rally before that big dump to Goblin Town occurs. I strongly believe the crowd is wrong at the extreme, and at the extreme, when the crowd is wrong, that's when you want to be right. For you to be right when the crowd is wrong, you have to do what the crowd is doing. So if market participants are scared right now, you want to be buying. If market participants get greedy, that's when you want to be selling. If you look at the meme coin market, the last 30 days have not been kind to memes in the cryptocurrency market. Even though piping is up 46%, a lot of meme coins are down bad. Dogecoin is down 3%, Shiba Inu is down 8%, Pepe is down 13%, Bonk is down 5%, and Dogwe has lost 26% of its value in the last 30 days. In the last 60 days, a lot of these altcoins have been swept crazy. They have been dumped hard, 45% dumps here and there. But guys, volatility is a two-way street. Yes, the dumps might be crazy when the dumps come, but then the pumps are also legendary when the pumps comes around. The top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, still no changes. Cardano sits at number 10, Dogecoin at number 9, Tron at number 8, Solana at number 7. XRP is the 5th largest cryptocurrency we have in the market. BNB and Ethereum make up the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. According to the Altcoin season index, right now we're not an altcoin month. We had some little flashes of altcoin month earlier in March. We had some little flashes of Altcoin season index getting to our altcoin month on the first day of March 2026. The next few days, guys, is going to be very, very crucial. If we see altcoins bouncing really hard, expect to see more vibes enter the market. Expect to see a lot of market participants start running to the altcoin market. When the market is pumping, altcoins are pumping. And when the market is pumping, altcoins will always pump harder than Bitcoin. I don't think this time will be different. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. The general market is still on the edge. While waiting for the war of the US, Iran, Israel war to come to an end or to come to a visible conclusion. And I believe when it comes to conclusion, we're going to see reactions in the market and we're going to see more reactions in crypto. How hard are we going to pump to the moon? Only time will tell. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.